Denver and Chris. And did the piggy have a name?
This is Gary.
That's Gary?
Gary, aka Tina Turner.
I started it, aka Tina. Yeah. I'm trying to get the tip of your unicorn thing to. Okay.
I'm my unicorn pony today. So
what's the story with this furball?
This guy from someone was allergic, and he's kind of been bouncing from relative to relative, and then he saw these guys and said, you know what, I'm gonna take over from here and get it figured out. So he's got super crazy nets
goodness.
in his hair.
Gracious.
I haven't even seen his
So this was like basically a guinea pig intervention.
Yeah. And he's got long hair, long nails.
It's a good name for a video too.
Clean this up too. Hey, buddy. And
I mean,
kind of already started before
he's
someone
like
told
a
me to
fancy
stop.
rock star show pig.
So I'm gonna have to shave this off. There's no cutting this, so
No.
I'm just gonna. And he's being a very good boy.
Thank you, Saskia.
I like doing this. Good boy. I know, it feels weird, but you've been so good.
You just like doing makeovers.
Well, I used to be stylist.
How about home makeover
So
guinea
like
pig
that.
edition?
Scotty has
I
one.
did a video called Extreme Home Makeover Guinea Pig Edition.
Really?
Yeah, I'll tag it right there. Oh, thanks, Brian. Look at all that hair. And look, you can see like all the different markings now.
Wow.
Little tiger butt. Goodness.
Yeah, it was bad. I didn't realize it was that bad.
I got him. Yeah.
You can put that clump of fur on Craigslist as a whole other guinea pig. Just get one of these pet store cages and just need some googly eyes.
You can make a pendant out of this guy.
Gross. A guinea pig dreadlock hair yeah. Gross. Yeah, it's gonna be a whole new piggy.
Yay. A whole new piggy.
Good boy. I feel bad.
Have these
shaving off
clippers
his
met their
locks.
match?
It'll grow back.
You know?
Beautiful.
Yeah, I will.
It's what it needs. I'm a hairstylist, so I understand this.
Oh,
Sometimes
you
we just gotta start fresh.
Take it down to the skin.
Looks like my son's hair after he didn't brush it for a while because he wanted to have a fro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has a good fro.
And then it started to look like that.
But now it's
Time
longer.
to cut it off.
Now it's long, right?
It is nice and long now.
It's
yeah.
past fro stage. Okay, look
So
at
we have
that.
a whole.
Put that clump over there. No. You know what the comments are going to be now.
Oh, honey.
Get that rug off of him.
So he feels already a lot better.
Oh, so much
Look at that hair, though.
This is, doesn't look nice. We're gonna make it nice.
Look at,
You're a
I
stylist.
mean,
You're gonna be able to keep it up.
Oh, I have no problem keeping it, but I just need the initial. I just needed.
sure.
so he's going to stay with you now?
Absolutely, I already love them. I just need
Aw.
help to get them back to
Yeah.
a livable condition. I can't imagine who feels.
Yeah, then
comfortable with all
we'll
that.
hook you up with all the proper supplies and everything.
Oh yeah, and I don't. I've never had guinea pigs before. It was just,
Yeah.
I come from a long line of rescuing anything and everything.
Oh,
So,
yeah. Well, you should. Here's our info sheet.
awesome.
And
yeah, no,
then-
I definitely got online immediately and like.
That info's on our website too, but yeah, that's great.
Oh, you good boy.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
It's like a one-stop shop.
Dun, da, da.
So Scotty, I don't really use scissors so much anymore.
No?
No, I use this as my scissors now. I just love it, and it's just so much safer because I'm not gonna so easily,
Ah.
make a mistake or.
See, our techniques are evolving.
Yeah, all the time, absolutely.
Nice. So, did he have a name? Sorry.
Yeah, Gary.
Gary, that's right.
Good boy, Gary.
How could I forget that? I have a guinea pig named Gary at home, so I'm gonna get flack for not remembering that. Yeah, well, after he gets situated, maybe we can find Gary a friend.
Well, Gary, I have Charlie in here.
Oh.
Gary has a
He
friend
has
named
a
Charlie.
He already has a friend.
Yes, they came
So-
as a little pair.
Oh, so
But Gary's, he's a little
but Charlie
short-haired.
is. Well, we got to take a peek at Charlie.
Absolutely.
I mean, you can't. Hey, Charlie's butt.
I'm gonna say I don't know. Want to look at the other
This side. He's like, I'm gonna turn around and give you the butt on this side. There he is. Hey, Charlie. Hey, buddy. He doesn't have the long hair problem.
So their hair constantly grows and you have to keep out.
So they've been together this
To
whole
my
time.
knowledge, I believe they're right around a year and a half,
Aw.
and they've been together.
That's
I think
great.
Together the whole time, I believe.
Sweet. Yeah.
I don't really know much.
Well, problem solved. Yeah, Saskia, how are you gonna blend this?
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi, you're so good boy.
Well, let's wrap this up so we could save some minutes for the next video. We never know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. You know, he needs a bath and a
Yeah. So that's
conditioner.
Gary.
He's gonna be a whole new pig. Well, he already
Yeah,
is.
and we do free health checks, so you guys are welcome every 8 weeks, or when the nails need clipping, or even more frequently if you see
You want
any
to do the nail clip?
any illnesses.
Scotty, let's
Yeah. You guys are close by?
West Hollywood.
Yeah, that's not far. Look at those nails.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. You're gonna feel so much.
Oh my
better.
word.
These,
So is that nails and poop?
you know,
Probably.
it is not nails on the side there. That's callus, actually.
Yeah, but this flat nail right there.
Where's my tool?
Wow.
It looked so thick. I was.
The people are gonna get riled up now. Let's see.
Where? It's that little cuticle nipper.
Yeah, I just wanted to see her.
I had it earlier. Why is it? Oh, here it is.
Yay.
You can set them down too. Down if you want to.
So yeah, this is the callus that grows.
Yes, someone asked about that.
Yeah, and then it
but it
does
was
get
not-
poopy stuck on it. And come here, sweet pie. I know, this fussing. This is actually a nail that's like super straight,
Yes.
which is not normal.
I saw my first ever nail growing up today.
Okay, baby. You're okay.
We love you.
But you see, I know, buddy. Okay, I know. Ouchie, because there is a nail underneath. No, there's not. There's not. That's good. Okay, there is it.
I mean, I can always come back too.
No, we can fix it.
People are going to be confused whether or not they're like marveling at like the work you're doing or your nails. How pretty they are. They're like, wow, this is crazy. But look at those nails. They're so pretty.
I love my little chromy nails.
So maybe you could put a link to what this color is in the description.
You know, I actually stole this color from Ursula. She brought it.
We'll find out
So,
from
see, this
Ursula.
is poop and nail.
Okay.
That's what that is. So, if
Poop
they have a
and
soft
nail.
poopy, they step
That
on
sounds
it.
like a bar down in
The poop and
the
nail.
meatpacking district. Meet me at the Poop and Nail. We'll have a pint and talk over business.
Scotty,
I'm gonna get flack in the comments. I know
what are
it.
we gonna do without you, huh? All right, next. Oh, actually,
There was a comment, Scotty, would you just shut up and let Saskia talk?
all right. Let's see what's going on here. Oh,
But we can't have any uncomfortable silences here.
Here, woodwhacker.
I know.
So unhappy about something.
He
Ooh,
bit me
look at
4
this.
times.
Okay.
Jeez.
So that is his nail, and again, it's the poopy, right?
Yeah.
And then this
Holy
is again
crap.
is that.
But this is like on an epic level that like we
Yeah.
I haven't seen it this bad.
Yeah,
really.
this is likely
The serious
painful.
neglect.
Seriously, bless you guys for.
It
Yeah.
was so bad. I know. I was like, I
You're
don't
like,
even. know
I've
how
had
to-
enough of this.
Okay, my love, you're gonna feel so much better.
It's okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, let's give you a little break. Okay. You're so
But and it's kind of like this vicious circle where it's like they get so long, and then people are like, "Oh, I'm afraid to do anything with them and hurt and you know
Cookie?
work on them because I don't want to hurt them." Or
Cookie.
Yeah, I
maybe a little CBD on the ear for this piggy.
Yeah. That might be
Poor
good,
little pig.
actually. Poor boo-boo.
All right, well let's wrap this up because you're running out of minutes here. We don't even have enough for another video, so. But let's.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
Poor Gary.
Okay, honey.
I'm glad we got to see
Okay.
this.
Good boy.
you know I feel so bad for him, but I'm glad.
Yep.
Get it taken care of.
Now he's part of the LA Guinea Pig Rescue Club. All right, a little CBD.
Just make him feel a little better.
Oh, good.
Good boy. Now, this is pretty
People are gonna ask
stressful.
where to get the CBD, especially like if they're in weird places.
And I nicked him as well. So it does happen, people, to me too.
Yeah. Okay.
Amazon, eBay, right?
The CBD, you can get it on Amazon.
No, through our eBay account actually.
eBay, there
So
you go.
look, this is also the callus. It's just, oh, he's such a mess here. These feet. You are
Yeah.
so messy. I'm sorry, buddy. It's ouchy, but when I'm done, it's no more ouchy. No more ouchy.
Well, when he gets a bath, he could just be soaked for a little bit in the warm water, and that'll,
Help loosen it
Help
all
it
up.
Yeah.
as well.
and then just give him a little hand massage,
Okay, buddy. I don't want to fight. I don't wanna
and
fight
probably
you.
like some oil or even hand moisturizer or something.
Yeah.
Coconut oil, people might say.
He's a little underweight.
Is he?
Yeah, even though you can't tell with all the hair.
Yeah, I figured.
But we'll give you a food list and stuff so you'll know what
Yep.
to...
Yeah.
We got it right here.
Oh, you already have one. I grabbed it.
Oh, cool. Perfect. All right. Well, Saskia, before the phone cuts out on us. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for bringing
Yeah,
them in.
thanks everyone for joining us.
Yay. All right. That's Gary.